Hello, friends. How many times have we wondered whether we need to paraphrase a text or summarize it? Both sound similar, both transform your text, but they serve completely different purposes, and picking the wrong one can actually work against you. So, today, let's clear this up once and for all, and I'll show you both operations using the same input text. So, the difference is impossible to miss. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly understand what each one actually does. And AceToolz actually has this explained right here on the tool page itself. Paraphrasing rewrites your text using different words, but keeps everything intact. Same length, same details, same meaning, just expressed differently. Summarizing condenses your text, pulling out only the main points. And this quick selection guide at the bottom tells you exactly when to use which. We'll come back to this after the demo. Now let's see both in action with the exact same input text. Starting with paraphrase, I'll set the tone to professional and complexity to simpler, so it's easier to read without losing anything. Let's click the button. And here's the output. Similar length, same information, just rewritten. Every detail is still there. This is what paraphrasing does. Now, I'll switch to summarize. Notice the options change completely. That's because this is a fundamentally different operation. I'll go with brief length and bullet points, most useful when you just need the key takeaways. Let's start the processing. Look at the output now, shorter, structured, straight to the point. The examples and supporting details are gone. What's left is only what matters most. So, when do you use which? The table says it well. Use paraphrase when you need to reword something for academic integrity, simplify complex language, or adjust tone while keeping all the information. Use summarize when you need to extract key points from a long document, create a quick overview, or understand something fast without reading the whole thing. Simple rule. If need rewording with similar length, paraphrase. If it should just provide key information and can shrink, summarize. Both operations are free on AceToolz. Link is in the description. If you have any questions, then put them in the comment section. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.